Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. So we got another information regarding the launch date and the arrival date of upcoming iPhone 12 series courtesy to a leakster Kang, and according to the tipster who has shared information on the Viblo account, gives us pretty much every details about the price specifications and the pre-order dates of the devices, and also the availability when you can pre-order and got these devices. So this is going to be a series of 4 different videos. So in this particular video I'm going to talk about the iPhone 12 mini. Rest of the videos are going to be available in the cards. You can watch those videos as well, which gives you the specifications and tells you about the launch date and pre-order date of the devices, and also you will get the information about the price of the upcoming iPhone 12 series. So iPhone 12 mini is going to be available in 5.4-inch of OLED display, and that display is going to be pretty much similar with the iPhone 11, which we already discussed in our previous videos. It's going to be coming with a similar kind of a notch on the top of the device, whereas a modern look is going to be available for the budget level iPhone 12 mini. The color options you will get for the upcoming iPhone 12 mini are going to be the black, white, red, blue and green. Means you will get a total of 5 different colors for the iPhone 12 mini budget level device. According to the tipster, it is going to be coming with a new screen glass technology. Ceramic shield front cover is simply a ceramic substance glass which increase the hardness of resistance to drop. Means the front of the panel is going to be much more resistant and harder than the previous generations. Also, the iPhone 12 mini is going to be coming with 3 different storage options, and that is going to be 64 gigs of internal storage, 128 gigs of internal storage and 256 gigs of internal storage. Well, the price for the iPhone 12 mini base variant is going to be around $700, and with that you will also be getting an A14 Bionic inside, and along with that it's coming with a dual camera setup on the back side, just like the iPhone 11. It's coming with a main camera sensor of 12 megapixel and a 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera with a focal length of 1.6 aperture. It's also been supported by deep fusion night mode scene and have become better. Smart HDR has also been upgraded, that is going to be Smart HDR 3. So the last point is going to be when these devices are going to be available. Well, the iPhone 12 mini pre-sale is going to be scheduled for November 6 and 7 and will be released on November 13 and 14 next month. So guys, that is it in this particular video. If you want to watch the next video about the iPhone 12 Pro, you can check my cards and links in the description and get the information when those devices are going to be available. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.